It's part 2.
Your video?
Yeah. This is part 2, guys. And I would like to introduce somebody.
After you're done with that.
Brenna, say your name.
Hi, my name is Maria Brianna Tina Macari.
You don't have to say your full name. This is part 2. Hope you enjoyed my last one. Okay. Just gonna buy bandage. Ready.
What's you? How many do you used to have?
And Brianna is going to watch me play.
This here?
Brianna, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi.
Not your full name.
Hi, my name is Brianna.
Brianna Macari.
Oh, Brianna Macari Egg. My dad's name is Brian Macari Egg.
You don't have to say your family's name. Okay. We got an Astro V.
A for Astro.
A twin.
For the Astro Destroyer. A for Astro.
Stop. Okay. Ready? Oh, bandage. Thanks.
Who got you bandage?
Why is there bandage on flow? Run. Actually,
It's a
that's
pop.
kind of good. Yeah, I know. Buxton is chasing me. Yes, sir.
Who's the distractor?
I don't know. Still don't know. I still don't know.
Don't be caught.
Nah, somebody already just died. Okay, GG, your name is GG because it's a good game. Okay. We have Twisted Buxton and Twisted Puppy. Okay. Not pretty
Yes,
good.
they're like walking. Puppy's like a baby.
Brianna, stop talking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, puppy, the bubble. puppy the bubble. Oh, hi, Scraps.
I'm gonna fart.
Oh, don't fart. I farted. Bro,
Do you smell it?
yes. Thanks, Astro.
A for Astro.
Okay, not too good. Trash. What, Poppy? How are you already at 1 heart? Rihanna, don't press anything. Oh, Shrimpo. My name is Shrimpo, and I'm a shrimp. I hate everyone except for Finn. Okay. Go away, Poppy. Go away. I just want to get bandage. Poppy, go away. I just want to get bandage. Thanks, Poppy. Thank you.
I'm gonna go pee.
Okay.
Oh, where are you going?
Go pee, Papa. Just get up here.
Careful, ah.
Poppy, Twisted Puppy is coming from me. Twisted Puppy is coming from my cheeks. Twisted puppy. Yeah. Yeah. How is Gigi here? Why is Gigi already here? Hello. Okay, you can do it. Compass, whatever your name is. Okay, Compass. Compass. Hello? Okay, thanks, Compass. Sweet mama. And I watch Cooling. Scraps, get in. Scraps, get in. Scraps distracting. Oh. Okay, you all want. Hi, Brianna. Girls go to college to get more knowledge. Boys go to Jupiter to get more stupid. Moms go to Mars to get the bigger balls. Dad goes to Spain to get the bigger brain. Girls go to college to get more knowledge. Boys go to Jupiter to get more stupider. Moms go to Mars to get the bigger balls. Dad goes to Spain to get the bigger brain. Okay, I'm gonna need these tapes later. I core puppy. Brenda, stop saying puppy playtime. Shrimpo. Me.
Already? Floor 3?
Okay. Everybody wait for me.
Who's gonna share cookies?
Okay, who wants to be healed? Okay, nobody except for Compass. Okay, I don't need anything.
You need to heal Poppy.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna heal her.
Heal. Are you gonna use?
No, Puppy's just a noob.
We have to use it to close.
Yeah. Hey, stop it.
I wish I could join. Mini, my bee.
Puppy, this is my machine. This is the smallest skill check. Smallest skill check ever. Smallest skill check ever. Smallest skill check
Is 34
ever.
good? Is 34 good?
34?
Yeah.
Papa is 34% good.
Where's your bandage? No, you only have one bandage left.
Yeah, but that's okay. I am the gingerbread man.
Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy? Daddy, daddy, oh daddy, daddy, oh daddy, yeah. Daddy.
Stop, Brianna. Oh. Dad goes to Spain. Get the big brain. Girls go to college. Get more knowledge. Boys go to Jupiter. Get more stupid. Moms go to Mars. Get the big garage. Dad goes Get the big brain. Girls go to college. Get more knowledge. Boys go to gym. Get the big ball. Dad goes to Spain. Get the big brain. Get more knowledge. Oh, okay, AFK.
Some more AFK. Ay, balloon.
Discover fun with Shelly.
Why is it so thin?
I don't know.
Grabe ko. Si, Brian HRG Ano sabi na?
Where's my daddy na?
Nandun na siya? Saan siya pumesto?
Where's my daddy?
I don't know.
I know she's to buy costume and go to the mall.
Pag ganyan na ganyan yan, marirealize na po nila na
But she's like not coming back.
Okay, fine.
Bal, tanungin mo sarili mo, hindi ako. Tanungin mo sarili mo, ha? Ha? Nagisingin kita ng alas 6. Nirak mo na doon? Pumutin ka lang mo susi mo.
Look, my own.
Sige. Duplicate mo ang susi o tagdalig mo yung diyan. Saan na ba yung mga susi natin?
Nandiyan sa iyo isa. Meron ka, di ba?
Where's my daddy?
I don't know.
I want my daddy to go here already.
Init.
Nakakatigil mo sa susi.
Parang gulo. Ang sakit sa uso.
It's so boring.
Stop! Sa pumalis dyan. Ayoko nang bumaba din sa... Ano yun?
Yan ba?
Gusto kong bumaba pag bibili ko na yung bahay. Kaya ano ba?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Dapat kasi may lagay tayo. Yun nga yung nakita ko sa'yo. Pag nakita natin yung ano doon. TV pa naman.
Ito, ayun o.
Ba't hindi mo alam?
Diyan mo yung lagay eh. Man, masakit yung
Ba't kasi hindi mo?
alam mo, diyan mo kram. Ganyan mo kram. Kasi hawak-hawak ka pa yan.
Ba't hindi ko ba ito?
Diyan mo nag-back mo. Wala nang back mo.
Hindi ko yung pag-siguro.
Amoy sardinas pa nga sa ano eh. Wala ba ng takip yan? Nakalimutan ko yung takip.
Natin, trip dyan.
Panahon ng ano.
Malit sana.
Pagod din ah.
Nakakapagod ka ka. Ako nga na sa araw-araw na pabalik-balik dyan sa taas-baba. Lahat ng gusto ko iakit, inakakit ko na. Para yung matitira dyan, talagang ano na. Hindi mo nakita talaga yung mga susi nito?
Hindi ko nga ano, hindi Bukas pag nag-ano, nagtupi ulit.
Yung nakita ko niya ikaw dun. Ito, kung ba to?
Ay, wala.
Kasi
Tsaga-tsaga.
ito, dati ako. Okay na ako dito. Ano na, may ilagay ko lang talaga yung sasakyan doon.
Inaano ko yung mga aso eh.
Ha?
Yung mga aso. Kaya may kung saan ko ilalagay.
Dito na lang, oh. Wala talaga, dito talaga.
Kailangan na lang ni RJ yun para hindi siya tapian.
Oo.
Kahit may tayo, hindi niya pa dadapatin.
Wala talaga.
Okay.
Hindi kumain sila Milo, ayaw nila.
Oo.
Yung kalabasa.
May dupot.
Are you done?
No, not yet. After I can okay. Blackout, okay. I can literally see on blackout.
Di ba ako tapos doon sa Frankenstein? Ano pa namin yung prayer? Tanggalin mo yung mga bungot mo dyan. Yan, ilalagay ko mga panty namin.
Hindi naman may siksik dito sa mga ano nyo.
We'll get the
Doon ka na
paper.
lang pag ano, yun na lang space na maliit. Diyan na lang
Oh,
kami
Connie,
sa
Connie,
panty
Connie,
namin.
Connie. I think I see
Yan na
Connie.
yan.
Connie's there?
Yeah, I think I see Connie. I think.
Who's Connie?
The invisible one.
I usually,
Hindi mo yung
usually-
i-text mo na, i-message
I
mo nga.
usually go and
Oo,
call
kasi ang puro ka
in
bukas,
what
bukas.
time?
Ang picture na, 17 na oh.
Message ko ba?
Ano ka ganyan? Si Ate Char, hindi mo na message. Ako ang tatawag doon. Kaya pala hindi na pinababayad ng November, December kasi nga may deposit doon na 15,000. Eh yun na talagang ano, kaya hindi na sila pinababayad. Tawagan mo nga si Ate Char bukas at kausapin ko yan. Pupunta natin doon.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it, guys.